today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress site in 2025. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to improve website navigation and provide a better user experience. A table of contents helps your readers find the information they need without scrolling through all of your content, making your site more organized and user-friendly. We'll go step by step so it's easy to follow, even if you're new to WordPress. First, open your preferred web browser and go to wordpress.com. On the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner and click it. You'll be taken to the login screen where WordPress offers several sign-in options. For this tutorial, we'll use Continue with Google. This method is convenient and secure, allowing you to log in with your Google account without typing a separate password. Make sure to select the Google account linked to your WordPress site to ensure smooth access to your dashboard and site settings. Once logged in, direct your attention to the right-hand panel of your dashboard, where you'll find the Quick Links section. Click on Edit Site to open the WordPress editor. This is where you can make live changes to your website, including adding new features like a table of contents. In the editor, look at the top left corner and click the Add button. This opens the block menu, which lists all the elements you can insert into your page, from text and images to more advanced features. In the search bar, type Table of Contents. When the block appears in the search results, click on it to add it to your page. The Table of Contents block will automatically generate a list based on the headings in your content, making navigation simple for your visitors. Adding a table of contents not only makes your site more user-friendly, but also helps keep readers engaged. They can jump directly to sections of interest, which can increase the time they spend on your site and improve the overall browsing experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a table of contents to your WordPress site, creating a cleaner and more navigable layout. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you want to refresh your site or add more organization. Happy WordPress using!